Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at busyjoyhustle.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. So before you can get to this stage, you must have already created your YouTube channel. And if you have not done that, I get your back covered. So just go to my channel at busyjoyhustle.com and you will see a video on how to create a YouTube channel. You can go to playlist, then YouTube, then you watch this video, start YouTube channel in 2022 full guide. So this video will actually guide you through on how to create a YouTube channel. And once you have done that, the next step is how to be uploading videos on your YouTube channel. How to upload video, and it's very easy task to do. I will be guiding you through on that today. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if today is your first time of hearing my voice at busyjoyhustle.com. So we normally upload contents on how to make money online, how to start affiliate marketing, blogging, email marketing, and a whole lot of stuffs on Busy Joy Hustle TV. So do well to subscribe so that you will not miss out any new updates on Busy Joy Hustle. So let me walk you through on that. So first of all, before you can upload your video or your content on your YouTube channel using your mobile phone, you must first of all have YouTube app, this particular app here, and YouTube Studio. If you don't have it, you can go over to your Play Store if you are on Android device, or Apple Store iOS for Android iOS iPhone users. Sorry. So if you don't have YouTube, you can search for YouTube, then and download it. But majority, most phone comes with that. Most phone, you must have a YouTube app on your phone. Then another app that you still need is YouTube Studio. I would recommend this two app, YouTube Studio. This app will help you to track your activities, how your videos are performing. So I already have the app here, so you need to then install it if you don't have it on your own device. So let's move. Once you have all those apps installed on your phone and you have already created those content and you want to upload it, then the next thing to do is to go over to your YouTube. Don't use YouTube Studio. You don't upload video using YouTube Studio. So you go to your YouTube. Then once you go to your YouTube, this is how it will appear. This is the home page. Then as you can see, this is the home page. This is a short video. This plus icon, this subscriptions, this library. So make sure before you click on this plus, because when you click on plus, it will direct you towards either create a short video, upload a video, go live, create a post. Before you do that, make sure that the email that you are signing up is your YouTube email. Go and click on this email and change it if it is not your YouTube email. Make sure you are signing up or you are signing in on your YouTube email. If that's not the case, you can also change the email from here. So make sure that email, as you can see, this is Busy Joy Hustle TV. So make sure you are signing up on your own email. So once you have already confirmed that, the next thing to do is just to click on this icon, create. So you click on upload a video. You click on upload a video. Then you select a video from any of your video on your phone, the one you have created. So let me, for example, select this video. Then what I will do is I will just click on next. So the next first thing to do is to add your video title. So as a content creator, you must know the title of your video. That's the main thing. Let me see how to open a WhatsApp on your phone. Let me, for example, this is my title. Then after that, you add a description for your title. Okay, I can say in this video or in this video, okay, I will I will show you I will show you how to create a new WhatsApp on your phone. And so on. You have like 5,000 words count you can write about. So you can add as so many, because this helps in SEO to rank your YouTube video on search. So you need to add a very good description that is related to your video content. So you can also add hashtags, any hashtag that is related to your video, maybe hashtag WhatsApp video, hashtag Google, any hashtag that is related to your video, because people also search using hashtag on YouTube, likewise other social media. So it can also help your video to rank very fast, so that when people search for these related hashtags, then YouTube will show your video to them. So after adding your description, then you leave these settings. You can change visibility. It's always public, because you want to instantly share your video immediately, or you can put it as unlisted. When you put it as unlisted, it will be on your own. You only see it because you have the link. Only people that have the link of that video can see it. As you can see, anyone with the link can view it as unlisted, or you can put it as private. That's only people you choose can view it. So but majorly, or you can schedule the post to be any date. Maybe you want to post this maybe next week or any date, you can put that there. Then the next one is audience. You can choose whether if this video is set or made for kids. So you can select whether yes or no, but majorly most videos are not made for kids. So this will affect your advertising for monetized channel and people that YouTube is going to show this video. So if this video is made for kids, that means YouTube will not show your video to adults. You understand? So that's why you should select that. Then location, that is not much important. Then playlists, you can add playlist. As you can see, I have so many playlists on my own, or you can, if you don't have playlists, you can create a playlist. This playlist helps to organize your videos. It helps to group your videos, so that when people navigate to your YouTube channel, it looks good. They can easily find your video according to the playlist. So it's very good. So the next thing to do is to click on upload. So once you, okay, let me click on upload. As you can see, this thing is already uploading. That's all you have to do. But if this is on laptop, you need to add thumbnail. There is thumbnail, that's the graphic design you need to do. But for mobile, you will not be able to add thumbnail. So this is how you can be able to upload a video on your YouTube channel. So once you have done that, then you can go to your YouTube studio. Once you go to your YouTube studio, this is the home page. This is the dashboard, how it looks like. You can track how your videos are performing through these YouTube studios. This is the video that I'm just uploading now. It's still not uploaded yet. This is the video. So you can go to content and see how your videos are performing. You can see how many views they are getting. You can see how many comments, likes, and so on. So that if anyone is not doing very well, you can decide to increase or share those videos to your friends. You can even go to analytics, then, and also check other factors. Then comments, you can reply comments from here. Then playlist, this is the playlist of all the playlists that I have on my video. So this is basically how to upload video on your YouTube channel using your mobile phone. So if you are on laptop, the process is still the same thing, but you have more options. You have more options that you can add thumbnail. There are so many settings. You can add a end card, then you can add end screen, all those things. There are so many options that you can choose on your laptop. So laptop is still more advanced than that of the mobile, but they are also the same thing. So if you find any video in this training, please always remember to subscribe to my channel at busyjoehustle.com, and remember to share this video with your friends and well wishers. So thanks for watching this video.